Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tuna salad without mayo. First, drain your canned tuna thoroughly. Next, choose a creamy base like Greek yogurt or mashed avocado for richness. Then, add finely diced celery and red onion for crunch and a fresh bite. Season with lemon juice, fresh herbs, and a pinch of salt and pepper. This method creates a flavorful and satisfying tuna salad that is lighter and equally delicious. For a creamy texture without mayo, consider Greek yogurt. It adds a tangy note and a boost of protein. Another excellent option is mashed avocado, which provides healthy fats and a rich, smooth consistency. If you prefer an earthy flavor, hummus works wonderfully, offering a savory depth. These alternatives ensure your tuna salad remains moist and flavorful, catering to different taste preferences while keeping it light. To elevate your mayo-free tuna salad, incorporate fresh ingredients for both flavor and texture. Finely diced celery and red onion offer a delightful crunch and a hint of sharpness. Fresh herbs such as dill, parsley, or chives add a vibrant, aromatic quality. A generous squeeze of fresh lemon juice is crucial for brightening the flavors and adding a zesty tang. Don't forget a dash of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Your delicious, mayo-free tuna salad is now ready to enjoy. It's incredibly versatile. Serve it on toasted whole wheat bread, in crisp lettuce cups for a low-carb option, or alongside fresh cucumber slices. It also makes a fantastic topping for crackers or a filling for bell pepper halves. For those who love meal prepping, check out the description for a link to leak-proof containers and other great deals. This healthy and flavorful dish is perfect for any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.